Hello everyone. Today, I am going to show you how to fix the problem of writing in Arabic language in Photoshop. First, make sure to install Photoshop and all Adobe programs through Creative Cloud. I will show you how. Open Creative Cloud, the homepage should be something like this. Click on your account picture and select Preferences. This window shows up. Click on Apps. In default install language, select English supports Arabic, and then click Done. This goes with all Adobe programs you want to install. Now, go back to Photoshop and try typing in Arabic. If the problem still persists, do not worry. It is simple, press Ctrl plus letter K, or go to Edit, Preferences and click General. This window will show up. Go to Type and then select this option. Click OK. This should solve the problem. Let's see. Here we go. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Goodbye.